Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Bless you. You may hear little tiny baby noises in the background. She is awake and chilling with me while we get ready. Yeah, are we getting ready for the day? I thought I would show you my very quick morning get ready with me process. Like when I am going somewhere that I want to put on makeup. To be honest, I don't wear makeup most days. You've seen that, right? We've been vlogging together for 2 weeks now. I don't wear makeup most days, but on the days that I do want to feel a little bit more put together, we have our last music class today, and then we typically go to lunch, my mom and I. My mom comes with us to music class, and then we typically go to lunch afterwards. So I like to put on a little bit of something, so I thought I would bring you along for that process. Filming it always makes it take longer, but hopefully we can get through this quickly. So I mentioned maybe 2 days ago, I went through all of your suggestions and requests for Vlogmas, and one of the things that was on the list was skincare. That is just going to end up getting lumped into morning routine, PM routine, and then this video. So I do have some skincare that I do as part of my morning routine, which I'll show in that video eventually. And then I'll talk in this video what I do when I'm actually getting ready. So some of these steps I'll tell you are regardless of whether or not I'm putting on makeup. So first things first, I put on some sort of hyaluronic acid. If I am not putting on makeup, this is all from the Ordinary. Maybe 2 months ago, I purchased like a big order from their actual website. You can get it at Ulta. I feel like the stuff at Ulta sells out. Like I can't get everything I want. So I just went ahead and was like, I'm gonna get free shipping. I'm gonna buy everything from the Ordinary's website directly. So this is their hyaluronic acid. If I'm not putting on makeup, this is what I will wear. I don't like the way it wears under makeup. So if I'm wearing makeup, I will put on the Marine Hyaluronics, which has hyaluronic acid in it, but it is just a little bit more liquidy. I don't know if that's the right word. Like it just is, it doesn't, I don't know. It wears better under makeup and it dries really fast, so I don't have to like wait. The other hyaluronic stuff like is sticky and takes a second. Then I put on my moisturizer. This is just what I've been using. I don't know, I feel like I'm getting there. Once this runs out, I don't know that I'll rebuy it. I love that it has a pump, but I don't think it's the greatest moisturizer ever, but it does the job and it is pretty inexpensive. I'm trying to keep the shop clean, but I don't know if it's really working. Okay, so moisturizer, step 2, and then as always, sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. I just told my sister about this on a podcast episode coming soon to you about beauty. Wear sunscreen every day. I wish I had done it. I wish I'd started when I was her age, and I didn't. And this is one of the high-end things that I will still splurge on, is the matte screen from Super Goop, is what it's called, yeah. Anyway, I will put this on regardless of whether or not I'm putting on makeup, and regardless of whether or not I have plans to go outside. If I don't have plans to go outside, I will still put it on because somebody told me if you're, this time of year, probably not so much. Don't come at me for the incorrectness in terms of science here. But this time of year, I don't know that it's as big of a deal, but sometimes through the windows, you can still get sun damage. So I put it on regardless of whether or not I'm planning to leave the house. All right, same thing as always, the tinted hydrator from Wet n Wild. I love this stuff. This color is probably a smidge dark for the winter time. Also, I forgot. Sometimes I take off my Aura ring when I'm getting ready because it just gets in the way of my like rubbing stuff on my face. I talked about my Aura ring in my last favorites video, which was day 2 of Vlogmas. Are you trying to participate back there? Are you trying to participate? Hi, you're so cute. Oh. Somebody commented recently, it was like, how do you get anything done with her around? And I'm like, sometimes I really don't. All right, I definitely got distracted. My Aura ring, I talked about in my favorites video. It's still new, and in the concept of worth, everybody's worth is gonna be different. Everybody's financial situation is different. Everybody's priorities are different. So I cannot answer the question for you, is it worth it for you? I love mine, and I'm very glad that I have it. Okay. Concealer, I still do this step because I still very much need it. Pre-baby, this is a step I would definitely skip if I was running out of time, but my short version is way less because it takes a while. Like the time consuming part is this part, right? Blending it in. So if I am in a rush, which we are a little bit now, huh, Peanut, we gotta get moving if we still gotta pack up all of our stuff and get going so we can get to music class on time. Anyways, less dots, less concealer, it goes faster. All right, and then Same thing here. I still put powder on because my skin does tend to lean oily, although in the winter it's not so bad. The biggest difference in my step here is that I don't switch out brushes. I used to do like a brush for my under eyes that was a little bit more like, I don't know what the word I'm looking for is, but like gives it a little bit more coverage. And then I used to do a different brush for my overall face, and I don't have time for that anymore. I still put on a smidge of bronzer because otherwise I look kind of like a pale pasty ghost. I don't know what happened to those marks are on my neck. I also feel like this lighting in my bathroom totally sucks from your angle. For me, it's actually pretty decent lighting. And I know I've talked in videos before about how I like to go sit and do my makeup like sitting down. But when I am in a rush, that's just like getting set up. That's an extra step. Pulling it onto the counter and quickly doing it is the fastest way. All right, blush, I still do. I use this Pure Nude Baked Blush from Essence. It's got a little bit of a shimmer in it so that I really don't do highlighter that often anymore anyway, but it makes it feel a little bit more shimmery. Then I will run the spoolie through my eyebrows. Getting my eyebrows tinted has made a huge difference, just a step that I don't even have to think about. Curl my lashes. I will not skip the step where I put the nude eyeliner in my waterline. I use this little puff that I just got on Amazon that allows me to pull down my eyelid a little bit. Again, this is not a totally necessary step, but when I am putting on a little bit of makeup, it is mostly to make myself feel more awake and more put together, and that step makes me, I feel like, look a lot more awake. Then, still spraying with MAC Fix Plus. Wow, Laken, cannot talk. I did not bring my coffee in here with me. I just makes it feel fresh and kind of combined. And then as always, mascara is the last step. I still use my IT Cosmetics Superhero. It is my favorite mascara. I get asked about my mascara all of the time. It is again the other thing besides the sunscreen that I will splurge on the high-end version. I absolutely love it. You can pretty much always get it on a discount, either on QVC. If you're willing to buy more than one, you can get a discount, or Ulta puts it on sale a lot. I pretty much never pay full price for it anymore. Whenever it's on sale, I stock up, I get more than one, and then I have them in backup. First coat, and I let it dry a smidge. It is just worth it to me. It's worth it to pay a little bit of this splurge. I know that they did also come out. Yeah, it's worth it, right? Someday you're gonna like it too, because you also have beautiful long eyelashes, right? Right, okay. What was I saying? Oh, they came out with a waterproof version. I haven't tried it yet. I'm not a big waterproof mascara person unless I absolutely have to be. Like if I am, you know, gonna be in water and I really want and I really want mascara on, which is not very often. I feel like if I'm going in water, I just don't care as much. All right, and then last couple of steps, lip gloss, or lip balm. I've been using this little guy from the e.l.f., which when I got him over the summer, I was like, oh, it's so small. It's lasted me for a very long time, so it is never ending. I spray perfume. I just, honestly, first off, life is too short not to use the products. Use the perfume, use the things, use the nice things. But also, I didn't wear perfume for a lot of pregnancy, and I freaking missed it. And then the last step is I wear my glasses. I wear my glasses pretty much all the time now. I like being able to see far, and I don't want to deal with my contacts. So my glasses are my final step, and that is my very quick morning get ready with me.
Hey, where's my sweet girl? Hi. There's her beautiful face. Hello. Shall we show everyone our outfit today? She's like, I'm getting sleepy, Mom. All right, we have the lighting is not the best in this room, but it is like a magenta sweatshirt. It's so soft. It's from Carter's. Although I think my mom got it at like Salvation Army or secondhand shop or something. And then our onesie underneath is one of our Beatles onesies. Say yes, our Popsy, my stepdad, is obsessed with the Beatles. Yes. He's also obsessed with you, Tiny Squish. Yeah, he is. And he got her this set of, she's got like 5 Beatles onesies that have all different lyrics on them. And then we have just our classic Old Navy leggings with ruffles. You can't see that on the camera at all, but the ruffles on the butt, I know I've shown these before. We have them in white, black, and the jean pattern. And we're matching. Wow, the lighting in here is not doing this justice, but I also have on a magenta sweater with black leggings. So This is our matching outfit. I've posted a picture of it before. She was much smaller and the sweatshirt was much bigger on her, and she was in the size below of the pants because I had them in 0 to 3 and I have them in 3 to 6. Hey, can we give him a smile? Oh, now she's got a grip on my finger. Yes, while you look, she loves that sun. Loves, loves, loves it. Yeah. All right, we are off to music class. I have to say, for me, one of the hardest parts about like leaving the house is the timing of like putting, especially in the winter, is, and I think it's also living in an apartment. So like the place that I'm setting up the stroller and loading it up is like in the like quote unquote lobby of our building, right? Not that I think that the 20 somethings in my building are gonna steal our stroller or diaper bag, but it's like, okay, the order in which I put on my shoes, set up the stroller, and put the stuff in the stroller, the diaper bag, my purse, etc. Put on my coat, put on her coat, put her in the stroller, lock the door, and leave. Like the whole process and like which order to do the steps in is just, I don't know. I still don't quite feel like I have it figured out yet. And I feel like once I finally do, then like something about the whole process is gonna change, right? That to me is parenting. Okay, so look who we found on the street and look at what she's wearing. Pink shirt, black pants. That was not planned. Me putting Lila in that outfit, totally planned. My mom showing up in the same outfit, not planned. I still have some work to get done today, but we are going to at least get the wines in the fridge so they can be at the right temperature. So we're gonna start with yesterday's, because we never did yesterday's, which was the 13th, is that right? Okay, oh my gosh. I didn't cheat and open this before, so you get to watch me be awkward and make a mess of this advent calendar. Ta-da. We have a Merlot from Italy. I like the label. Not usually a big Merlot fan, but we'll see. We'll give it a chance. And then today's, which is the 14th. Ow. Let me try doing this with my right hand and see if I'm any better out of my right hand. A little bit, okay. We have a white, so we'll probably do them in the other order. A Muscat. Am I saying that right?
Moscato?
No, not a Moscato. A
Muscat. I never heard of Muscat.
I think it's Moscato, not in America, but this is from Hungary. I have a wonder if this is going to be very sweet.
Could be.
All right, it is time. Let's open. So we're going to start with the cheese. We're going to start with day 14 because, yeah, is that right? Today's. Because it goes with the white. And we want to start with the white wine since we're doing 2 days. So where is day 14? It is a something bright yellow. Okay, I cannot get it out here. I do not know how to say that. I've never heard of this cheese, ever. And our matching shirts. Have you ever heard of this kind of cheese?
Nope.
Okay. Here we would try it and maybe we can Google it. So, okay, let's start with the wine.
Oh, are we actually?
Yes, we are filming. You forget that we filming? You're now a staple part of Vlogmas. People look forward to Mom and Vlogmas. Ooh, it smells very sweet.
Ooh, that is sweet. You're not gonna like this.
Yeah, that is not for me. It is not.
We should have wasted it by pouring it.
Because we knew I wasn't gonna like it. Well, should we just like go ahead and jump? Maybe I'll drink double red and you can have double of this one. Yeah, and it's a Merlot, so I'm probably not gonna like the red one. This is probably not gonna be like
See, this is where she needs to be more flexible.
Not planning with like.
Oh, it's a meaty cheese.
Tastes like Velveeta.
Yeah.
Literally tastes like Velveeta. Should we be making some queso with this cheese?
That's a robust cheese, though. It's real more robust than Velveeta.
I mean, I guess it makes the wine a little bit less ridiculous. Okay, I have to Google this cheese because I want to see where is it from? What is it? It is a cheese traditionally produced in France. Hard cow's milk cheese. Intensely fruity and nutty with subtle notes of caramel. It's vibrant orange, similar to Parmesan. It can be used similarly.
I like it.
Also, that is definitely Lila. That is not the cat. We heard a little sound a little bit ago and I said, is it the cat or is it Lila? I think it's Lila. I think she's awake. This is the angle for wine number 2. Oh. All right. Merlot. Not my favorite, but
My favorite. That's what I say. As long as it's not a cab or a Chardonnay.
That's not true. The blends have been good. Look how light that is. I mean, those are facts though. They're not my favorite. It doesn't mean I'm not gonna not like it. Let me switch. Oh, it's good.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And the cheese.
The cheese is.
Mustard Gouda.
Oh,
which I
another repeat.
another
Yes,
repeat.
another repeat. I don't remember which wine it was with last time, but another repeat cheese. But honestly, I mean, at this point, we're almost halfway or over halfway. So
Yeah.
if there's gonna be a repeat, that's okay.
Yeah.
Last year, I felt like it repeated way faster.
Yeah.
Or,
I feel like there wasn't as many. Yeah.
you know, I keep saying last year, 2020, the year that we did this last. Now it is gonna be every year. Right? Are we gonna do this every year?
Oh, for sure. What are you talking about? Yeah.
And Allie and Lindsay are jealous. They want to be a part of it.
We'll finally maybe some point with them. But, you know, we have to coordinate our schedules already.
It's good. It's good. Delicious. Yeah, it makes the wine better.
Really does.
I used to think like pairing wine and food was like more like unnecessary or like
Yeah.
kind of silly, but
But it can make a difference. When I did that wine tasting at the house, he did
Oh,
a
the person
phenomenal
who came
job.
here?
Oh yeah, he did a phenomenal job. He told me what to buy based on the wines I chose for the party, and it was amazing.
it actually is amazing
Yeah.
that like it
I bought
changes
things
the
I thought I
flavor.
would never ever buy, but it was because I liked the way it paired, and now I can't remember on some of them.
He didn't send you like an email
I
with all
think
the
he did.
things?
I think I did. Yeah, it's true he did because I remember asking him that.
You're gonna have to find it. All right, we just got done lighting the candles for the last night of Hanukkah, and we put our menorah in our window so that people can see it. It just looks so pretty. And then, of course, I have to show this cute peanut with her Hanukkah jammies. Look how cute they are.
Yeah.
Do you love them? Do you love them, Tiny Squish?
I love them.
Oh, yeah? Look how cute they are. Hello, kitty. Okay. My teeth might be slightly purple from the red wine I've been drinking. Please do not judge my purple teeth. Anyways, Sam and I just did some more of our chocolate advent calendars. We are not at all caught up, but I thought it was interesting because we have started to repeat chocolates on the less expensive one, and then of course I flipped them over and counted, and the less expensive one only has 9 different types of chocolate, so obviously we've started repeating at this point. And then the fancier, more expensive one, the lights, is that the light doing, or the Christmas tree doing that, or the candy? That's the Christmas tree. The Braun family, who I watched their Vlogmas, recently explained like why the Christmas tree does that. Like they're not blinking lights, it's just the tree. Anyways, the more expensive advent calendar has 12 different types of chocolate, so we have not had a repeat yet of any of those. In fact, there's still some that we haven't tried yet. So I just thought that was interesting. I still prefer the less expensive one, but we did a couple tonight and we will get caught up eventually. I think in retrospect, I wish I wouldn't have like tried to necessarily film it. That kind of kicked off the delay, and then of course Sam being out of town, and it would be more fun if we were literally just doing one per night and not trying to play catch up at this point. But I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. We started watching the movie Spirited yesterday. We started, and so we're gonna go ahead and finish that. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every week focused on helping you achieve your goals, and every day here during Vlogmas. See you tomorrow. Also, what is in the shop now? Eyeliner. I'm going to go.